To deploy an enterprise keyboard design that you've created under Design Studio on zDNA Cloud, follow these steps. First option: deploying a design via zDNA Cloud. Find the completed design you wish to deploy on the landing page of the Enterprise Keyboard Design Studio. Click on the hamburger menu next to the design and select Deploy from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the My Apps, Zebra Collection, Enterprise Keyboard Setup page. Scroll down to the Configure Apps section, where you will find the specific design pre-selected under Add Custom Keyboard Layout. Make any necessary configurations, then click Next. Provide a name and description for this app setup if desired, then click Next. Review your settings and click Apply. You will be taken to the device selection page, where you can choose the devices for deployment, either individually or in groups. Second alternative method for deploying a design via zDNA Cloud. On the zDNA Cloud landing page, click on My Apps, then under Zebra Collection select Enterprise Keyboard Setup. Select the most recent app version, then click Next. In the Configure Apps section, scroll down to Add Custom Keyboard Layout and select from Enterprise Keyboard Designer. Browse through the completed designs in the Enterprise Keyboard Design Studio and select the one you desire. Click Confirm. Then continue with same steps as in first option. Please note, to deploy the design via zDNA Cloud, you will need to have your devices enrolled on zDNA Cloud. The third option: deploying a design outside zDNA Cloud. On the zDNA Cloud landing page, find the completed design you wish to deploy. Click on the hamburger menu next to the design and select Export from the drop-down menu. Save the design to your local device. Deploy this exported design through your Enterprise Mobility Management System or StageNow. These are the steps to deploy your enterprise keyboard design through zDNA Cloud or by exporting and deploying it through your Enterprise Mobility Management System or StageNow. That is everything that we have on deploying a keyboard design through zDNA Cloud. Thank you so much for your time.